What's up everybody, it's your boy Rob and I'm back with a quick unboxing of the One More EVO Earbuds. Now, all I can do is pretty much give you a basic unboxing and give you an idea of what to expect. These particular buds still have an embargo on them and there's not much, too much details we can give to you. But I'm going to give you a quick unboxing, give you my first opinion of these new EVO earbuds from One More. Now, they do have some great new tech inside of it. They have these new dynamic drivers. They have a LDAC that gives you 3 times more music detail, tuned by a 4-time Grammy winner, Luca Bigagardio. I hope I'm not butchering that name. Also, these are supposed to be pretty good when it comes to making phone calls because they have 6 microphones on board, which is supposed to provide first-class call clarity. And it has active noise cancellation, which offers up to 42 decibels of noise reduction. Now, there is an early bird discount for these. If you go straight to the website, you can get these for $30 off. And you can get a free key wireless charger worth another $30 if you put in your pre-orders on May 10th. So let's take a quick look at them on the inside. Very high-end packaging. I'm not sure this will be the same well, I take it back. I'm quite sure this will probably be the same packaging you will receive once you buy yours. Got some graphics on the inside giving you information about how these earbuds are put together. Quite sure this is a Type-C opening. The One More branding. And wow, these are really nice looking, high-end. Just based on appearance off the top, these look very high-end. I have to give them to them for this one. This looks very nice. The case has a nice weight to it. The case doesn't feel cheap. The magnets are pretty strong. So they got that going for it. Nice size earbuds. I'm quite sure they will protrude a little bit on the outside of your ear, but for the most part, they look really nice. Easy to line up inside of the actual case itself. And this wine colored trim around the earbuds, the actual framing of the earbuds look real nice. I like this. Got the One More branding on top of the earbuds. I mean, these are really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and test these out and give you my opinion once the embargo is lifted. Right, we have some ear tips for the earbuds for different size ear openings. And you got Type-C to Type-A. I'm quite sure you have to provide your own brick because I don't see one on the inside of the box. And some documents and other paperwork that you get when you get new things like this. One More logo, like I said, the books. But that's pretty much it what's in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead get the earbuds sized up to what I like as far as comfort. And I'll give you my opinion on these a little later, but this is pretty much a primary unboxing of the One More EVO earbuds. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for more videos like this. And again, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.